Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have a look at numbers in Finnish. Now let's go over how to count in Finnish, starting with the basics and then moving to higher numbers. First we will see numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. For numbers between 11 and 19, the word toista is added after the base number. Now let's have a look at tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now let's combine tens and ones. 21, 32, 45, 99. Express 100. Use the word sata. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. 450. 1000, 2000, 10 000, 100 000, miljoona. Nolla means 0. Puoli means half. If you're enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel.